Hi, Jenny here. I've been enjoying eating chili lately, and I came across another recipe that sounded interesting. It actually has walnuts in it. I don't think I've ever had nuts in my chili before. So today we are going to make a vegetarian chili. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need half a cup of walnuts, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 celery ribs, 1 red pepper, half a cup of carrots, teaspoon of salt, 1 can of pinto/kidney beans, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes with the green chilies, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. We are going to start by chopping up all of our vegetables and then just setting them all aside in one bowl. We're going to cook them all at the same time, so they can all just go into one bowl. The recipe calls for finely chopped walnuts, so even though these are in pieces, I'm going to chop them up some more so that they're fine. Obviously you can use a knife to do that, or a food processor, or I happen to have a nut chopper, so I'm going to use that today. We are going to heat up 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You could measure, or you could just make sure you have enough to cover the bottom of your pot. And then we're going to add the vegetables. and saute them for about 2 to 4 minutes. Once your oil is hot, we'll put our vegetables in. We're also going to add half a teaspoon of the salt. Recipe calls for 1 teaspoon. We're going to do half a teaspoon now, and we'll add a half a teaspoon later. And also our garlic. I always love these colors when it first starts out. It looks so tasty. Yummy. Looks and smells so good already right now, I just want to eat it. Okay, once those are pretty much done sauteing, like I said, about 4 minutes, then we're going to start adding in all the rest of our ingredients. Oops! I was supposed to add the walnuts after my vegetables were soft and then saute these for another 3 to 4 minutes. But so be it. We're just going to add them now and we'll cook in. It'll be fine. So we also need that other half a teaspoon of salt now. And then our other spices. We're going to stir this all up and then bring it to a boil and then simmer it for about 15-20 minutes. Now that it's boiling, we will simmer it and let it go for about probably 10-15 minutes until it's all heated through. And there we have it, all cooked up. It's nice and thick. Yummy! The chili is done. It's hot. Very hot. So anyways, I'm interested to see how this is going to taste with the walnuts in there. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. And if you are already subscribed, thank you very much. I really appreciate that. I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever had nuts in your chili before. Like I said, I don't think I've ever seen a recipe like that. So I'm going to enjoy my dinner. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Hope it won't be too hot to eat. Well, it's steaming. Carrot's just a little crunchy. It's good, not overcooked. Don't really taste the nuts, but I do taste the spice of the beans, or the tomatoes. I'm not really one for a lot of spice, so we'll see how hot my mouth is after eating the whole bowl. But it's delicious.